Hi, this is Storm Ross, instrumental guitarist and guitarist for Skeleton Birds. Today I'm going to be going over my live rig for Scene Point Blank. I'm going to be going over my typical setup for a solo performance. If I was with Skeleton Birds or any other band setting, it would be significantly stripped down. But what I'm going to show you now is what I would be hauling to a typical live gig, whenever those will happen again. So without further ado, I'll start going over my stuff. To begin, I primarily play the Gibson SG Custom. I believe this is from 2008. I do use other guitars, but this would be my primary one. Going to the pedal board, the first pedal you'll see in the chain is a volume pedal. The reason I put it first in the chain is because I tend to be mixing different tracks very quickly on the fly when I'm playing live. So I use the volume pedal really just to cut the guitar sound rather than to mix the overall guitar signal, which you would expect at the end of the chain. From there, we've got the Super Shifter. Right now, I've got Ibanez Vintage Chorus here. This is the one spot on the chain where I do swap stuff out frequently, although I just pick one thing in a live setting and go with that. Going into the next two, I'll talk about together, the Rat and the Metal Zone. Now, I know that people are going to say the Rat is great and the Metal Zone is trash. I don't really care. I know the Metal Zone is uncool to like, but I pair these two together for my primary live tone, have them both going at the same time. The Rat gives it the body and the Metal Zone gives it a little bit of bite. Makes me happy anyway. Going to the Giga Delay, which I also frequently pair with the iStomp, which gives it kind of an electronic-y sort of tail end delay. Putting the two together, you can get like a nice swirl going on. Of course, everyone's got to have a tuner. And then off the pedal board, the Hog, which a lot of my sort of organy sounding tracks come strictly from this. Into the loop station for, you know, the quick on-the-fly looping while I'm playing live. That's the guitar rig. This is going to be paired with my electronics table, which goes into three other channels of my amplifier. First, we've got the Chaos Pad that is going into a Utopia synth. Gives it some nice crunchy noise. We also have a Chaosilator. And a nice synth pad there. And then another loop station paired with an octave pedal currently for that particular loop. And then all of that is going into my amplifier, custom 200 watt, which I believe this particular model is from 1970 or 71. 4 channels, very simple, volume, reverb, bass, and treble for each one. Bought at Mr. Gigs in Traverse City, Michigan in 1993 for $200. Still use it. So with our 4 channels, we have the Chaosilator, the guitar, the Chaos Pad, and the loop station. And when all of that is paired together, it'll sound something like this. for watching. Take it easy.